Just ordered these AC adapters from eBay. Huge variation. A lot of these are broken, like they're damaged or makes noise. I'm holding the wire, something inside. And then we have the lightest of the bunch. So keep in mind these are exactly the same. We have zeroed out our scale, 148. All right. Over here we have, you know, the exact same unit, 161. But that's not exciting. Let's go all the way down to the heavier spectrum here. Once again, if you look at all three of these, exact same model, exact same everything. This one is 257 grams. This one is 148 grams. The exact same thing, over 100 grams difference. I mean, the majority of them are in the 160s, but we have 170, 180, 190, 210s, 220s, 230s, 240s, and 250s. I mean, that is heavy. And between all of them, they're all different too. So that's 256, that's 257. I mean, I could pick out like 3 out of this stack here, and they're all different. So that is 166. Let's pick out a different one at random. That is 161. I mean, I could live with that. That's not a big difference between those, but I mean, every single one is different. And I mean, it ranges 100 grams between these 100 units. 100 grams. Talk about QC.